Alright, in this quick video, I want to talk about one other way that can really help your sales and optimize your listings, and that is by using promotions and also coupons. And so I'm going to give you 3 examples of different promotions and also coupon, and so you can kind of see how other sellers utilize this and how myself utilize it and how you can too. So in this first example, when we come on here, we see this right here. It says applicable promotions, and when we look at this one, it says 10% off 2 items. Now when you read the description, it'll tell you a little bit more about this promotional code, right? It says act now, get 10% off instantly. This is something that can be customized, so you could have anything here. Simply add 2 or more True Blue Steel products to your cart and use the code. Limited stocks remaining, don't miss out, offer ends soon, act now. So in this code, in this promotion, you can add any 2 products from this brand, put in this code, and get 10% off. So it could be 2 of the 13.5 ounce, it could be 1 13.5 and 1 14 ounce, and it really helps to upsell. Now, perhaps you might make a little bit less money, but you'll sell more products. And when a customer buys 2 products in one purchase, it actually really helps your conversion rate. Then instead of it being 1 purchase and X amount of money or X amount of orders coming from that, it's 1 purchase and a lot higher sales volume coming from that, and it really helps with ranking and things like that. One thing I really like what this seller has done is they have actually dedicated one of their images to the promotion, again really trying to upsell their product. Now again, in this example, it's a coupon that goes for any 2 items in their store or for this brand. Whereas if you only have 1 product, then it would probably be a little bit different. But you could still have something similar to this saying, limited time offer, buy 2, get 10% off, and then have a picture of 2 of your items or something like that, and really drawing attention. Because what I've noticed is that a lot of people don't really see this right here. Now another place it shows up is down here a little bit lower under promotions right here, and they can see it too, but it's a little bit hidden. So if you add it to one of your images, like this, then it can really help you upsell. So that's one of them, which is, buy X amount of items, get X percentage off. You can do it just based off of 1 product. You can do it based off your whole brand or anything in your entire store. Here's the next thing, and that is coupons. Now, coupons are really interesting because this is a relatively new feature, and you'll see as I'm scrolling through here, a lot of these look the same, but you'll notice ones that have coupons, right? Right here, 5%. You see how that kind of stands out? A lot of people really try to get these bestseller badges, meaning they're a top seller, right? Because when you scroll down, these things really stand out. Anything that's a little out of the norm stands out. Well, when you see this, save 5% or save 10%, there's a few more on here, this page, I believe, that have a coupon. Here's another one, and that might be it for now. Here's another one. See, it really stands out. Now, one thing with coupons is it will get you more traffic. I use coupons a lot in my products, right? But in order for someone to utilize the coupon, they actually have to click here and click save, X amount of percent. But what I have found, and is really interesting, is that 50% or less actually utilize this coupon. So yes, in the main search, they see it, and maybe it draws their eyes to it, and they go to click on it, and they just forget to buy or something, and then they purchase it. So just because you have this coupon on here doesn't mean everyone's going to use it. In fact, probably the majority, or at least half, won't use it, and it will get them to actually click on your item because it really stands out in the main search page. Now, one other thing you have to keep in mind with the coupons is that every single redemption is 60 cents. So, for a more expensive item, it's no big deal. But if you have a really inexpensive item, that 60 cents might add up. But remember, not everyone uses it. So I really like using coupons on a lot of my different products. You can see what this seller's doing. They're using both. See, they have the coupons, and they also have the promotions here. But now you can see another type of promotion here. See, notice it says, so this is for some office chair wheels. It says, buy 1 set of chair wheels, get the second set 20% off. But you notice there's no code here. So even if a customer doesn't even know about this, if they add 2 to their cart and go to checkout, they'll get that 20% off. So there is no, maybe they're getting it, maybe they're not. So that's another option. And then again, we see here, they're really trying to upsell another product, right? So perhaps you have a new product you've listed and it goes along with your brand, and you're really trying to get it some visibility. Notice what they're doing here. Buy 1 set of chair wheels, save 10% off on office desks sold by Office Oasis. So if we click here in their store, we go to their products, we see here they have this Office desk, and you can see it has less reviews. They're really trying to upsell it on the other one. Notice it didn't say 20% off or 10% off every single item in their store. It's just the desk. So you can start to see how you can really use these coupons or promotions to upsell, to really jumpstart a new item, the coupons to get people to see your product a little more prominent on the sales page, and also using the images to draw attention to it. So I highly recommend you guys using these coupons or also the promotions on your listings to get more sales, to really help upsell and launch new products. Now, underneath this video is a PDF guide that really jumpstarts you and teaching you the different steps on how to set up each of these different types of promotions, some of the things you want to look out for, and it's actually pretty intuitive. So if you need more help on setting up these promotions, there are tons of tutorials online on how to do it, and if you have any more questions, make sure to ask it in the group.